Raking up leaves can be an all-day task, but not if you have the best cordless leaf blower. A cordless lightweight leaf blower uses a battery to run and is mostly to clean dried up leaves and any debris fast and effectively. They are cordless and can be used anywhere without any limitations and also charges fully for only an hour. Additionally, they are portable, lightweight and handy very tools in cleaning and maintaining the cleanliness of your home and environment. Here we have picked some cordless leaf blower which are best according to the brand value, quality, durability and customer reviews. Let's check them. Greenworks 40 volts 150 miles per hour cordless blower. High performance G-Max 40 volts lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss after charging. Variable speed delivers wind speed up to 150 miles per hour, perfect for cleaning debris and leaves off hard surface areas and patios. Lightweight, robust design for user efficiency and ease of use. Ideal for light to medium duty cleanup tasks. BLACKDECKER LSW221 cordless leaf blower. Airspeed up to 130 miles per hour. Operates on a 20 volts max 1.5 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery that holds its charge for up to 18 months. Lightweight with a low noise design. Maximum initial battery voltage is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. Easily clears debris from hard surfaces like driveways, decks, and garages. DEWALT DC Bl720P cordless blower. Innovative axial fan design that maximizes on-air output and runtime. 400 CFM and 90 miles per hour performance, variable trigger and speed lock system. Lightweight and ergonomic design maximizes control and minimizes stress on your arm. Includes 20 volts max 5.0Ah lithium-ion battery, along with charger. WORX WG545 cordless air blower. High blower speed handles large areas. No load speed 12,500 per minute. Share battery across multiple WORX tools within the 20 volts power share platform. Charging time 5 hours. 120 miles per hour air speed with 80 CFM airflow. Ultra lightweight, compact design, only 3.5 pounds, so easy to use and store. Makita's BUO2Z cordless blower. Delivers up to 29 minutes of runtime at 15,800 RPM using two BL1850 18-volt cell XT5.0Ah batteries. 6-stage air velocity, volume selection dial with variable speed control trigger. Zero emissions and reduced maintenance, no need for gas or oil. Inline fan design provides better tool balance and improved ergonomics. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product link on description below. If you liked this video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell so you notify if we upload a new video on our channel.